crazy games, and this time we're gonna check out this particular game that is named Star Blast. So this is the one, and let me see. Okay, so developer Neuronality, and pretty much the technology being used is HTML5, as we already saw. HTML5, Unity. Okay, so this is the technology, the platforms: browser, desktop, mobile, tablets, iOS, Android, Steam, classification. So Star Blast is a fun multiplayer arcade shooter set in space, mine asteroids, and 5 other players and your own fully upgraded spaceship work together with teammates to ensure victory. So okay, so let's go full screen and just ignore those advertisements. So let me see, we are gonna just okay, so let me see something real quick. We can go into the display game controls. So we have the goal of the game. So in the game you shoot asteroids and enemies to collect crystals. With these crystals you can upgrade your ship, buy new ships, and buy more lives for the ships you already have. Controls, so pretty much we are using the arrow keys to drive. So in my case, in my laptop, I'm using the page app, and this is gonna be to pretty much accelerate. We also have the control to the left, well, again, to move to the left, control to the right to move to the right, and control down, as well as to move in 360 degrees. And pretty much we are gonna use the LMB to shoot. So pretty much if you click in the mouse or in your pad, you're gonna start clicking, or just the space bar. So let me double check in the practice. So let's go full screen and just play it. Okay, control C, control, okay, that's fine. Okay, so let me see one more time. So I'm just gonna go into my armory crate, and I'm gonna pick the turbo since I'm using, let me see, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna pick home, I'm gonna pick this. Okay, I'm gonna pick turbo, so okay, that's fine. And yeah, that's fine. So I'm gonna pick, I don't know, let's go with this one. And let me see, so okay, let me see. Okay, so with the space bar is the one that you shoot. Right now if I try to accelerate, I'm going with the keyboards with the page up. If I go right now, I'm pressing the home page, so pretty much I'm moving in circles. If I press down, well, I'm moving in this direction, but I'm just pointing in this direction, but I cannot move. I have to press the page up in my case, or the up arrow. If I press the up arrow and now down, I can pretty much do like this. If I press the up arrow and now I can move, oops, hey, oh no, those are my friends. The purple ones are my friends, so the enemies are gonna be, I don't know, a different color that is not purple, maybe green. Hey, chill out. Okay, alright, so now I need to shoot these asteroids with I'm pressing the keyboard. So okay, so now okay, so I got some of those. Yeah, these are my friends. So let me see, these dudes is not okay, so yeah, those are my friends. So maybe the red ones, or the, let me see, yeah, if you see in the right corner below, in the right corner, we can see some oops, yeah, I can see the enemy is gonna be over here, but I'm trying to move. I can maneuver here. Okay, so I see. Okay, damn it, I need to get, damn it. Oh, come on, no. And they got me. Oh man, they're gonna kill me, brother. Man, but I wanted to get those crystals, so let me check it out. Yeah, those red ones are the enemy now. So let me see if I can start shooting this crystal. Okay, so okay, at least I got this crystal. So whoa, oh no, for a moment I thought I was in a green spaceship. So yeah, they got me. So okay, so I have my score 35, your kill is okay, the death. Okay, that's cool, let's continue. And again, just ignore these advertisements. Okay, let's respawn. So okay, let's give it a try again. Now with more. Okay, again, just ignore this advertisement. Come on, man, I wanna play. Okay, so again, neuronality is the one that is creating this game. Okay, let me see. Okay, now let me see if I can do this. Okay, I'm shooting this mass disaster, so let me see if they can give me some points. Okay, I'm gonna grab some points before I start battling the other. Okay, yeah. Okay, so accessing galactic security database connected, so warping the system. And let me see, accept rescue ship. Yeah, accepted. Alright, let's play this. Okay, so I'm gonna move. Let me see, I wanna look for the enemy right now, and I just wanna shoot these dudes. Okay, so maybe I can take some disaster first, and I can get some. I can start mining this asteroid. Let me see if I get some crystals out of this. Come on, man. Maybe this one is a little bigger, but let's give it a try. Okay, I can see the enemy, so it's towards my right. Those red little ships towards my right down corner. So I wanna grab this little, I don't know, maybe lives. Okay, so that's cool. Alright, and I'm gonna grab this one as well. Oh, oops. Okay, whatever. Alright, so let's go. Oops. Oh, come on, let's go to the fight. Let me see, I'm gonna look for those dudes. Okay, so yeah, I can hear now. There. Okay, yeah, there. Whoa. Hey, chill out. Hey, whoa, man, they got me real quick, but I don't care. I just, whoa, man, they got me. Okay, let's give it another try. Okay, death's one. Okay, score, man, they got me. I don't care. Let's do it again. Okay, now what? Let's wait maybe. Oh man, another ad. So let's just, okay, so it's muted. So let's just ignore this. Oh man, there's a lot of ads here. So, but again, let's go. So we already played this game. So what else do we have here? So the shield capacity, shield regeneration, energy capacity, battle with other players, features, fun gameplay with plenty of ships upgrade and rewards, platforms, web browser, Android, iOS, and Steam, all of the game. Okay, we already saw all of this. Oh, okay, so okay, I'm already out. Oops. Okay, so now where's those dudes? Okay, whoa. Okay, so I don't wanna mine. I just wanna go and take somebody. Let me see. Let me see if I can move towards mine. Okay, so okay, I already saw in the right down corner. I can see a bunch of red ones, so they are the enemy. So okay, I don't care. I'm gonna take as many of these dudes with me. Okay, damn. Whoa, they got me real quick. So let me see how much damage. Okay, so it's high score. Let's do a team. Okay, that's cool. And let's give it a final try. So yeah, this is a cool game. So again, as you can see, we're doing HTML5 and Unity. So let me go here. Whoa. Mine this asteroid first before I engage. Okay, so let me see. Whoa, la man. Let me see. Whoa, I'm gonna go. So they're gonna. Okay, I saw them. I need to go up. Okay. Okay, let's. Whoa, yeah. Chill out. So they're down now. Okay, so down I go. Okay. Let me see. Oh, good. They're all the way to the other side. Give it a try. So. Okay, this is the fun. Okay, I'm gonna take as many visitors with me. Hey, whoa, no, disaster. Okay, where are those dudes? Okay, they are to my left now. Alright. Let me see. Okay, I got you. Oh man. Okay, let me refresh. Now I got you. Okay. Let me give it another try. Okay, so now I enter this game, so let me see. I have this hard disk drive, weapon storage, so let me see what else I can get. The station is under attack. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I need to get out. Okay, so let me see if they upgraded. Hell no. Okay, whatever, so they are towards my right now. Alright, so I need to protect this station, this IIS. Hey, oh man, yeah, okay, now I saw you, good. Now you got me. Station, oh man, station is under attack. I'm gonna take these bastards with me. Hey, nah man, I collapsed into the star. Okay, so yeah, this is a pretty cool game. And this is how you build it with HTML and Unity. We're gonna see this later on.